Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, airbags, front knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.